Alright, when writing a paper, it's really important to cite your sources. So I'm going to teach you how to use footnotes because they're a fantastic way to cite your source in a non-messy manner. So you have your statement or quote or whatever that you need referenced. You come up here to the References tab of Word, go down to Insert Footnote, and then it does this cool thing where it puts a little one next to your reference, and then down here at the very bottom it has another little one, and then it just does that continually through however many footnotes you want, and you just type in what you want to say. You gotta make it an appropriate footnote. And that's how you do a footnote. And then you just come up here and continue typing right after it. The end.